In the last section, we took a look at the map helper. Remember, map is used whenever we want to modify records in some list of data. Let's try out a more complicated example with map. I'm going to make an array of cars, and each car we're going to say is going to be an object. And so the object is going to represent some of the different properties that a car might have. So I might have a model, and let's say I've got like a Buick, and maybe the price is going to be just really, really cheap. And then I might have another car, maybe it's going to be a Camaro, and that one is going to be, of course, quite expensive, pretty darn expensive. One of the most common uses of map that we're going to be looking at is kind of collecting properties off of an array of object. So let's say that I want to go iterate over my cars array, and I want to find the prices of each car in here. So I don't really care about, say, the model. I just want to kind of get a better idea of what are the different prices that I have for all the different objects in this array. Let's see how we might approach this by using the map helper. I'll make a new array called prices, and then I can call it cars.map, and into it I'll pass my anonymous function. The anonymous function will be called one time for each car that I have. So on the first time through, I'll be called with the first car, which will be the Buick, and I will return car.price. Now I can log prices, and you see that the result up here on the top right is I get the strings cheap and expensive. So again, this is a very common operation to take with arrays of objects. This operation right here is what we would refer to as a pluck, because we're plucking a particular property off of each object in the array. This is something that you'll see happen very frequently with client-side rendering frameworks like, say, Angular or React or similar frameworks like that. Let's look at some more practical uses of map in the next section.